This is a short video of our balcony cabin C304 on Sky Princess. It's an accessible cabin, so it's wheelchair friendly. The door is a little bit wider. There's more space to move around inside the cabin, and the bathroom is adapted. There's no bathtub, it's been replaced by a shower. I'll let you get on with the video so you can actually have a look around the room. Thanks for watching. This is our balcony cabin. That's nice size.
Good size, isn't it?
Yeah. Have a look in the bathroom. Lovely size bathroom. Here you go. Big size sink, completely accessible. You can get a wheelchair under it, which is nice. Lots of grab rails, which is also very handy. And a nice, great big shower with a fold down.
Take your mask off now.
Yeah, a fold down shower shelf. I believe you call it shower seat. There you go. There's a nice shower with a shower seat. There you go, completely flexible shower host, very handy. 4 drawers. Lovely. They call it a queen size bed, I'd call it a king, wouldn't you?
That's definitely a king size bed.
Yeah, 4 drawers on this side. It's loads of room. Last time we had a mini suite. Thought might be a bit cramped on this one, but
Nothing cramped about this.
nothing cramped about this. There you go. Another 3 drawers there. There's a cupboard down here, which has a fridge in it. There you go. So if you want to bring some drinks, we brought some Pepsi on board with us. Just the room, I know you can get it from room service, but it's just handy anyway. Inside the wardrobe, here we go. There's a safe in there and the mandatory life jackets. Again, plenty of storage space. And the second wardrobe. The has got a lower rail, which is handy for access, and the upper rail obviously. There you go. Not quite sure what this staff seem to have missed a sock. Somebody's sock's still in there. That's not so good. Now what I did is I booked this side because I thought we'd be parked way over the other side, and then we're parked in a different place, so we're still on the dock. As you can see, a ramp comes down on the floor when you open the door, so you can get your wheelchair out. And the balcony is wider than I thought it would be, to be honest with you.
I fit my wheelchair out there.
Yeah, I think your wheelchair will come out here, no problem. It's bigger than I thought it was. The seats are still quite narrow. The seats aren't the widest in the world, but your wheelchair will come out here, no problem.
I'll ask the cabin attendant.
One thing to note in the bathroom is, whilst it's obviously very usual to bring all your own toiletries, there really isn't much need. They already include at the sink, there's lotion and hand soap, lots of towels, plenty of that, and in the shower you've got shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and it's all really good, high quality stuff. There's no need to bring your own. I think that applies to all of them. The thermostatic valve there, as you can see. There's also this little clothes wire that there goes across to this little holder here, and there you go. You can hang your clothes up in here if you want to rinse them out and dry them. Probably on a longer cruise than we're on. We're only on a 5-day staycation, so probably not much need for that, but it's there if you want it. You've got coffee and tea making facilities.
Yay!
Oh yeah, your piddly little hairdryer.
You have to keep your finger on.
You have to keep your finger on.
One of my pet hates.
There you go. But it's a European socket by the looks of it. And a US socket hiding behind there, but they have put, for your convenience, European adapter there, so you can just plug in your UK ones from here. I think that's probably because it's sailing from Southampton. PG tips, tea bags, milk, I think, and some decent sized mugs. They are
Yay!
proper sized mugs, like that. Breakfast menu, ready to go. Of course, don't forget the TV. That's about a 42-inch, would you say? And we need to watch the safety video and then go and check into our
Muster station.
I think that concludes the tour. There you can see the wheelchair. That'll just fold up and just go into the space by the door, so that's nice out of the way. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. We do appreciate any likes, and of course it's always free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we do hope to see you again soon. Bye.